Hi guys, so this is a quick video about how to get the M65 board out of the case. So first you need obviously to disconnect everything. I do this, I have some cables attached and you see the blinking JTAG interface, which I also need to disconnect. So I first disconnect the USB. And then I also need to remove the floppy power cable and the floppy cable. Let me get it off. Okay, so now you need a screwdriver with a Phillips head. And you get all those screws out of the board. There are a few. So just work your way around. There's one particular nasty one, which is this one. But with a magnetic screwdriver, it should be no problem to get it out. So, nearly there. And whoops, sorry for the noise. The last one should be here. I guess I need to remove the FTDI because it's below the FTDI. So now we have all the screws out. So, well, oh no, it won't budge. Is there any other screw? No, there isn't. Now comes the trick. You need to put your finger here, right above the Ethernet port, and the other hand in the lower right corner of the board. And then you gently push back the case and wiggle the board out, and then there it is, the board is removed. And to get it back in, you do the same. You first align it with the power and reset button so that it's slightly ajar from the backside of the case. And then again, you pull back at the Ethernet port and wiggle it in and take especially a look at the USB, at the SD card slot. And then, yeah, it's a bit scary. I admit that. So you need to be, you need to apply some force to the back of the case, and then you can wiggle it in or wiggle it out. Yeah, that's it for the quick tutorial how to get your board out of the case. Bye.